How's it going, everybody? Welcome back, and let's migrate a Svelte 4 application to Svelte 5. Now, the first thing you're going to need to install is the Svelte CLI tool, and that's really simple, and it's a really cool namespace, to be honest. It's npm isv. Now, before we continue, let's go ahead and give a shout out to Christopher Brown. Apparently, he had this namespace, and he gave it up so Svelte could use it and push the community forward. So, Christopher, really appreciate it. Now, once you have this installed, you're going to take a trip to your package.json file. And I already know there's a couple things that we're going to need to do. First of all, we're obviously going to need to upgrade Svelte to Svelte 5. And then also, I'm still actually running Svelte Kit version 1. So this is just my portfolio app, and it's about time we upgrade these packages. So the first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to go in here and npm I, and let's go ahead and have Svelte at latest. Okay, so that's running right now. Looks good. Looks like my Svelte package right here was updated to 5.43. So that's good. Now, if I go to the documentation here, I'm going to see that npx v migrate svelte-5 is the command. So let's go ahead and run this. And I know since I'm still running Svelte Kit version 1, it's going to want to upgrade that first, okay? Because that's a requirement. So let's go ahead and run this. And let's say yes. Okay, totally fine. Let's go ahead and continue. And then let's do this one right here. And remember, I'm hitting the space bar to check this. Okay, so we ran this. Okay, looking good. I see that Svelte Kit is now 2.0. So that's fantastic. So let's go ahead and paste in that command again, and let's migrate this to Svelte 5. Okay, let's make sure all the syntax in my components are updated and working accordingly. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that, and let's go sr sup. You know what? All these are good. Let's go ahead. Perfect. And all right. So it looks like we are all set here. Let me just go ahead and spin up the server, make sure this is working. All right, let's hop back over. And okay. Oh, looks like it's reloading one more time. Okay, great. So I'm just going to kind of give it a cursory glance. Just got some reviews, a little bit about me, some of my interest here. All this needs to be updated, but you know how portfolios go. It's always a work in progress. Okay. Yeah, I'm really liking this. So this seems pretty solid. I really want to hop back into my code here, and let's take a look at some of these changes. So I'm going to kind of close, move the terminal out of the way for the most part. And let's just open up some of these files here. Okay. Yes. Fantastic. And so I'm seeing that all of those export statements for the props, those have been replaced by the props rune, etc. And so it looks like this migration is successful. So just in a few steps, we've been able to migrate this entire application. Now, I completely understand that, this is just a one-page app. It's very, very simple. So you may need to refactor some things and get things fully working properly if you're working inside a really big app. And that can be a little more tedious than daunting. But I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one.